Here's the detailed computation for a 2-bedroom condo unit na located sa Ortigas for as low as 10,000 cash out, no down payment. Let's start with the TCP or the total contract price. Ito na po yung updated selling price ng unit natin as of the moment. Kasama na rito yung transfer fees, government taxes, and other miscellaneous fees. And syempre, meron pa rin tayong discount on all our units. The next one is the 10,000 cash out or the amount you need to pay to secure a unit. This is deductible to the total contract price. Again, 10,000 lang po ang cash out, walang down payment kasi still ongoing pa rin po yung promo natin ngayon. After choosing the unit that you prefer, signing the loan documents, and paying the reservation fee, that's the time na ipaprocess na yung application mo kay Pag-ibig. And good news, kami na po lahat ang mag-aasikaso. Kaya less hassle na to para sa'yo. The loan process typically takes 1 to 2 months to complete. After the loan takeout, pwede ka nang mag-move in sa unit mo. By the way, upon move in, meron lang tayong babayaran na 11,500 for reconnection fee ng water and electricity, and that is one-time payment lang po. And here's the remaining balance that you will borrow or loan from Pag-ibig. Deducted na po dito yung reservation fee and promo discount. And once na-approve na kayo kay Pag-ibig, 30 days after the approval date, dun palang mag-i-start ang first monthly amortization. What's good about Pag-ibig financing is meron tayong option na up to 30 years maximum loan term. And kung gusto mong maaga matapos ang loan mo, applicable din dito yung payment direct to principal amount. By the way, dito sa computation ng monthly amortization, hindi pa po kasama yung monthly insurance. Mag-add lang tayo ng 1,000 plus for mortgage redemption insurance and fire insurance. So, ganun lang kadali yung computation natin. All in, no hidden charges. 10,000 cash out only, no down payment. Kung umabot ka sa part ng video na to, I'm sure you're interested or may kakilala kang interesado, you can message me on my Facebook page, TikTok account, or you can also check my YouTube account. We have free site viewing every day from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So yun lang, I hope nakatulong. Kindly share this video and see you soon sa site.